For number 55, so we're actually going to use this note that they gave us down at the bottom. So they're saying that the revenue equals the number of caps sold times the price per cap. So what we have to do is make two equations, one for the number of caps sold and then one for the price per cap. So we'll start with the number of caps sold. So the number of caps, C, so it starts with 40. So 40 are sold per week. So we're writing an equation in the form of y equals mx plus b. So the b is our y-intercept. That's always our starting point. So in this case, that is the 40. And then we know that for every $1 decrease in price, the store will sell 4 more caps per week. So that's going to be a slope of 4 per week. So that is our number of caps equation. Now we can make an equation for the price per cap. So again, we need our starting point, which is just what they usually sell them for, $22. So that's plus 22. And then our slope, they're decreasing the price of $1 for every cap. So that's going to be a negative slope of 1. So now that we have our two equations, we can put it all together into the revenue equation and just multiply these together. So we're saying 4x plus 40 times negative x plus 22. So we have to FOIL. So we do this one first. So 4x times negative x is negative 4x squared. Then we do 22 times 4x. That is 88x. Then we do this, so negative 40x. And last is 40 times 22. And that is 880. So we want to combine our two middle terms. So that's going to give us negative 4x squared plus 48x plus 880. So there's our equation for the revenue. So it's asking us for the maximum possible revenue. So to find the maximum or minimum point for a parabola, and we know it's a parabola because it's x squared, we need to find the vertex. So since this is negative, the negative 4, the first number is negative, we know that our parabola is facing downwards, and our vertex is always going to be like the peak of our parabola when it's facing downwards. So that is our maximum point. To do that, to find the vertex, we start with the x value of the vertex, and we get that from doing negative b over 2a. And it comes from this being our a, this being our b, this being our c. So that would be negative b, which is 48, over 2 times a, which is negative 4. So that is negative 48 over negative 8, which is positive 6. So that is the x value of our vertex. So this is 6, but we need the y value to get the actual maximum point. So we're going to plug 6 back into our revenue equation, the parabola equation, to get the y value that corresponds with the 6. So we're saying negative 4 times 6 squared plus 48 times 6 plus 880. So that's negative 4 times 36 plus 288 plus 880. We add all of that up, we get we get 1,024, which is E.